Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two top contenders in the all-season tire market, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 and the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3. Both of these tires are designed to offer exceptional performance across varied climates, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's break it down. In wet conditions, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 excels with a shorter braking distance, stopping from 80 to 5 km per hour in just 34.1 meters. This is 1.4 meters shorter than the Pirelli, which can be crucial in emergency situations. However, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 fights back with superior resistance to aquaplaning, maintaining better control at higher speeds in heavy rain. On snow, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 also performs slightly better in braking, stopping at 18 meters compared to Pirelli's 18.8 meters. It also shows better snow traction, accelerating from 0 to 20 km per hour in 8.04 seconds, while the Pirelli takes 8.46 seconds. But when it comes to handling on snow, the Pirelli edges out with a slightly better lap time, demonstrating superior control and agility. In ice conditions, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 again takes the lead in braking, stopping 0.22 meters shorter than the Pirelli. Yet, the Pirelli shines in traction, accelerating faster on ice. When it comes to longevity, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 stands out with a significantly longer lifespan, lasting up to 48,900 kilometers compared to Pirelli's 33,741 kilometers. In dry conditions, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 performs better in both braking and handling, stopping 3.7 meters shorter and completing dry handling tests faster. In terms of noise, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 is slightly quieter, producing 71 decibels compared to Pirelli's 71.7 decibels. Additionally, it offers lower rolling resistance, which can contribute to better fuel efficiency. So, which tire should you choose? If you prioritize longevity, snow performance, and a quieter ride, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 is an excellent option. However, if you value dry performances and aquaplaning resistance, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 is a strong contender. Your choice should depend on what aspects of tire performance are most important to you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.